Hi everyone, my name is Jen, and I'm absolutely losing my mind over Neurosilence, the natural tinnitus killer that silenced the ringing in my ears and unlocked mental clarity I hadn't felt since my 30s. If you're tortured by that constant buzzing, whooshing, or ringing that drowns out conversations, steals your sleep, and makes you feel isolated and frustrated, this breakthrough supplement is about to become your new best friend. Trust me, I went from hearing the noise 24/7 to peaceful quiet and laser focus in weeks. Your ears deserve this freedom now. First off, be super careful where you buy Neurosilence. It's only legit on the official site, link in the description for the best deal, no hassle. Watch out for shady sites and fake YouTube reviews pushing knockoff Neurosilence products. That's pure junk. Don't get scammed. So, what's Neurosilence all about? If you're suffering from tinnitus that's ruining your days, constant ringing, drowning out life, anxiety spiking from the noise, poor sleep leaving you exhausted, this supplement is your wingman. Neurosilence is a 30 capsule bottle packed with natural powerhouses like olive leaf extract for soothing auditory nerves, Bacopa monnieri for neuron recovery and calm, ginkgo biloba for boosting ear circulation, garlic extract for neuroprotection, green tea for detox, and zinc for tinnitus relief. Take one capsule daily with a meal and it silences ear noise, calms your nervous system, and sharpens focus. No side effects, just profound relief. Let's keep it real. Neurosilence isn't a miracle cure, but it's backed by science. Each 30 capsule bottle is a month's supply. Take one daily with a meal for that silent surge. I pop mine after breakfast. Side effects? None for me. It's natural, non-GMO, and made in an FDA-registered facility. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, you can try Neurosilence risk-free. Trust me, once the ringing fades, you'll be hooked. Ready to silence tinnitus and reclaim your life? Don't sleep on this. Click the link in the description, hit the official Neurosilence site, and grab your bottle today. Thanks for watching.